Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to transfer money from your PayPal balance to the bank card. So first of all you will need to add a payment method first. So in your account settings inside of the app or on the website you need to go to your wallet first, and from the wallet you need to, under cards menu, add your actual bank card. So just press on add new, then you can enter your card info, or you can also scan your card and that way add it to your application and to your account. And then you can also easily transfer your money to your card by clicking on the balance, and from here you can just press on transfer. Alright, so from here, as you can see, I'm missing a certain button because I don't have anything in my balance. I do not have the transfer button, but when you have some balance available, you'll have a transfer button available. You press it, then you need to select the card that you want to transfer your money to, and then just press transfer and your funds will be transferred to your bank card in a certain amount of time. Usually it doesn't take much time, it happens in the next few minutes. For me it was really fast. For you it might be a bit different because every bank is different, so the transaction speed will be different. But in general, this is the procedure that you're going to have to go through to transfer your money from PayPal to your bank card. Thank you guys for watching. If this helped, do not forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.